So guys, I'm teaching you how to get a free dish. This I just equip right now. This, so I'm gonna teach you. First, go to daily team or listo mission. Go to I don't know. Go to limited. You will go to crazy summer. If you first you get that one, and second that one. If the fourth day comes, this 1, 2, 3, 4 comes, you will get this. So allow to get this for free. Just click this. Go to Vibrant and click. So that you want still more. But you have to wait 4 days for this to get. I already get this. So wanna get it okay. Go to limited to Sentry. See this, I have no luck. So okay, crazy song. That's my next day gonna get this. My next day I'm gonna get this. So guys, make sure like and subscribe for any videos. Bye.